Good day! For this chapter, I introduce to you the Photoshop environment and its interface. The work area includes command menus, tools, and palettes used for creating and manipulating images. First, let's upload the picture. There. Now let's proceed to the menu bar. This is the menu bar. So you can see. In this section, it contains the collection of commands for creating and editing images. Let's proceed to the options bar. This is the options bar. It is the context-sensitive menu located right below the menu bar. Its context changes to the particular options available for the selected tool. Third is the bridge button. This is the bridge button. This is an application where it serves as a hub for all Adobe Suite programs and is accessible to all components of the Creative Suite. Let's proceed to the palette well. These are the palette well. There. So you can see it's temporarily available. The palette well, it is used to organize the palettes in order to save space on the screen, used as a docking area for the palettes. Now let's proceed to the toolbox. This is the toolbox. It is a vertical bar containing buttons and a collection of tools for creating and editing images. It's grouped into 7 categories. There. Now let's locate the status bar. This is the status bar. The status bar displays the current zoom value, document size, and the name of the active tool. Now for the image window, this is the image window. So you can see. It displays the image file. In this bar, you will find the title bar, window controls, status bar, and the canvas. Now let's go to the palettes. These are the palettes. There. Movable windows will contain a set of options for a particular tool on the Photoshop picture. Through this, you can display or hide the palette by selecting an option from the window menu. There. That's all. Thank you.